rent rates and 50% to factory means 6,000 goes to manufacturing account, 6,000 goes to profit and loss account, post and telegram go to profit and loss account, whatever goods manufactured in the manufacturing account transfer it to trading account. Then it becomes 1,11,500. No drawing is there. 1,11,500. Add this figure, it will tally for 1,65,000. Hello, my dear students. I am Dr. B.S. Subramanya, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram, First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. Today, in this session, I am going to hand Financial Accounting 1, First Semester, Unit 2, Session 3 in favor of BCom. Final accounts of sole trading concern, manufacturing account. In the last session, we already solved one problem. Today, in this session, I'm going to solve one more problem of manufacturing account with a balance sheet. So here we have to prepare manufacturing account, trading account, profit and loss account, and a balance sheet. So whatever the item that comes under trading account will come in the manufacturing account. In the trading account, only we got opening stock of finished goods, purchase of finished goods, whatever the manufacturing account result come, that will come sale and closing stock. So in manufacturing account, you must go with a very carefully what are the items to be cut. We'll move on. Prepare manufacturing, trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2000, balance sheet as on that day. Opening stock of raw material which will come in the manufacturing account. Opening stock of finished goods will come in the trading account. Opening stock of work in progress will come in the manufacturing account. Capital directly go to liability set up the balance sheet. Purchase of raw material will come in manufacturing account. Sales goes to trading account. Purchase of finished goods goes to trading account. Carriage inward will come in manufacturing account. Wages will come in manufacturing account. Salary 75% will go to manufacturing account. 25% goes to profit and loss account. Commission goes to profit and loss account. Bad debt, profit and loss account. Insurance, profit and loss account. Rent rates and 50% to factory means 6,000 goes to manufacturing account, 6,000 goes to profit and loss account. Post and telegram go to profit and loss account. Tea and tiffin, profit and loss account. Traveling and conveyance, 25% to factory. The remaining 75% goes to profit and loss account. Carriage outward 2,600, profit and loss account. Machinery 40,000 is an asset. Furniture 5,000 is an asset. Debtor 60,000 is an asset. Creditor 53,000 is a liability. Closing stock are as follows. Raw material that will come in manufacturing account. Finished goods that will come in the trading account. Work in progress that will come in the manufacturing account. Opening stock of raw material. What is it? Material consumed. Opening stock of raw material 30,000 plus purchase of raw material 2,50,000. It becomes 2,80,000 minus closing stock of raw material 40,000. How much material consumed is 2,40,000. Opening work in progress 5,000 as per the problem. Salary 19,500. If you see that, what's your salary? 26,000. Out of 26,000, 75% goes to manufacturing account. 26,000 into 75 divided by 100. That is 90. This is salaries. This is 26,000 into 75 divided by 100. That's called 19,500. Goes to factory means manufacturing account. See that how much will come in the manufacturer account. Salary 19,000 will come in the manufacturer account. See that what we work out 19,000. Remaining balance now that goes to profit and loss account. Commission, that is here commission is 3,000. Opening stock of raw material 30,000. Add purchase should be added minus closing stock should be deducted. Add opening work in progress given. Salary, this is 75% of 26,000. Then rent and rates and taxes, you have got, see that 12,000, 50% goes to factory. Rent and rates and tax, 50% to factory. Traveling, 875. Traveling, see that here. Traveling, 25% of 3,500. Traveling, 875. Wages, 50,000. Carriage inward, 4,000. Then here, by gross profit, what we have got now, here we got 4,000, totally 3,25,000. By closing work in progress 12,000, this is your cost of production, finished goods. This will be transferred to trading account. Whatever goods manufactured in the manufacturer account, transfer to trading account. You want to trading account, this will comes under trading account. This is trading now. To opening stock of finished goods 16,000. Cost of production 3,13,375 from manufacturing account. Manufacturing account. Then purchase of finished goods 8,000. Sales 4 lakh. By closing stock of finished goods 8,000 as per the adjustment. The difference will come 70,625. This is your gross profit. Transfer to profit and loss account. By gross profit brought down 70,625. Remaining salary. This salary is 6,500. Commission paid 3,000. Bad debt 2,000. Insurance 4,000. Rent ration out of 12,000, 6,000 goes to manufacturing. Another 6,000 comes here. Post and telegram is an expenditure. Tea and tiffin is an expenditure. Remaining balance. Traveling and conveyance is 2,625. Carriage outward is 2,600. Net profit is 39,500. So this will be transferred to balance sheet. Debtor 60,000. Closing stock. Raw material 40,000. Work in progress 12,000. Finished goods 8,000. Totally 12 plus 8, 20 plus 40, 60,000. Furniture, no depreciation 5,000. Machinery 40,000. Totally 1,20,000, 1,65,000. Your creditor is 53,500. Capital 72,000. Add net profit 39,500. Then it becomes 1,11,500. No drawing is there. 1,11,500. Add this figure, it will tally for 1,65,000. Here you have to see that 1 or 2 items. I will explain once again. Say that 75% go to factory. Out of 26,000, 19,500 goes to factory. 26,000 minus 19,500. So 6,500 should goes to profit and loss account. See that in the 6,000 goes to profit. Then rent, rates and taxes, see that 12,000, 6,000 goes to factory, 6,000 to profit and loss account. Traveling, traveling. How much is there? 3,500. 25% on this. Manufacturing account. 3,500 into 25 divided by 100. 875. So 52625 office. See that. 875. 870 traveling here. Remaining balance, come back here. Traveling. In traveling. 2625. Remaining balance here. So we bifurcate. Again. So gross profit, salary 6,500, commission paid 3,000, insurance 2,000, rent and taxes out of 12,000, 6,000 comes here. 6,000 goes to profit and loss account. Post and telegram is an expenditure. Tea and tiffin is expenditure. Traveling is an expenditure. Carriage outward. So totally 70,625. The difference net profit is 39,500. Go to balance sheet now. Debtor 60,000. No RBD is there. Closing stock of raw material 40,000. Work in progress 12,000. Finished goods 60,000. Furniture no depreciation. Machinery no depreciation. Then creditor 53,500. Capital 72,000. Net profit 39,500. It became 1,11,500. Add the figure, it become 1,65,000. Very simple. It will ask for 10 marks. Hope you understand. So in the morning session, I already solved one problem. Now I have solved one more problem. You go through the problem, definitely it will come. So one final account, one manufacturing account. Final accounts will come for 15 marks. This will come for 10 marks. Very simple problem. How manufacturing start? Opening work in progress, raw material consumed, opening stock of raw material, purchase of raw material, minus closing stock of raw material. Raw material consumed. Whatever the factory expenses come, put it here. Factory salary, wages, carriage inward, power, all these items will come in the manufacturing. So regarding the depreciation on machinery, motor car, building will come in manufacture account. Division of furniture goes to profit and loss account. Hope you understand. We'll move on. So in the next session, we'll move on to another problem. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.